If you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. Welcome back to the Jamaican countryside. As always, it is a pleasure to have you here and to be able to share these experiences with you. Don't forget to like the video because it does help our channel to grow. Leave a comment or let us know where you are watching from and hit that subscribe button. Enjoy the video, guys.
Alright, let's see if there's any star fruit on the tree. Fingers crossed. Oh yeah, I see one. But it look little. Oh, there it is. Ooh, it's a pure was. Yeah, them small. Them want to go somewhere. Yeah. Go, just go, man, guys. I'm bringing them to the spot where I found the jelly. You know, word on the street is the jelly down by that spot was top tier. No, oh, we don't bring. Guys, we come and try pick jelly. Nobody no walk with the stick. Somebody can climb it, you know. Who are going to stick? Rock, paper, scissors. This is who are going to rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One that already, you know. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Go off for the stick. They say go off for the stick. Go off his stick. Are him? Go off his stick. Are you? I see a shot. Go off his stick. Go for the stick now. My step in that breadfruit. The one with the oak. Came back, we used to climb them tree here. Me know. We up on the pint. You can't do that again. You go up there, I'm afraid. You reach for one limb. You're afraid. Are the weight, yeah? I see Papa come here with the stick. Come! I'm lucky, you're lucky. Hey! Come on, 10 seconds to pick a jelly. I could say if you're that skilled. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. You do it. Right, one more. With the pick jelly. The jelly stuck in there something, guys. Man, it drop on you, you know. The jelly stuck. Box cover. Something them a come dog, you know. The jelly stuck in the. I only want that with the oak. The other one have bag. Lift me up and do it. Oh. So we'll try to create one extender because the stick is small. Yeah, innovative man. You know, go down in there. Alright guys, we find one longer stick. Stop. Alright guys, heavy artillery right now. This must can do it. Hey! Don't get the one over there, so. Everybody a pick jelly. Some more people over there so pick jelly. Yeah, fling it over. Yeah.
You must smell the baka here.
Are you sauce?
Ratatata! Ratatata! Huh?
Oh, show them custard up there. See there? You think they're ripe? So many memories I've had in this tree here. Oh my god, I used to hang upside down as a kid. The limb is no longer there. Oh my god. Hey Mocha! Mocha, Mocha! Thanks. Alright, Mocha. Me have one cloth, me have one black cloth. He know fucking know what happen. You could have run. You know what clock I go strike. In a make for outdoor. Alright, so I'm gonna just make the solution. Wait, no, me have to make the mixture. Yeah, I know. We can't smell him. No escape, no surrender. How would it? You could have bought. Whether you like it or not, so glad you changed. It's okay. Mocha. The dog, me say the dog make a run feet.
Go over. Go over.
Come.
Come. Come on. Come. Come.
You know what kind of
Mocha, come.
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 You can't come over back. Come.
Come. Mocha, come.
Come. I don't think you can come back over.
Come.
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 As always, guys, be safe, be well, be whatever. Until next time, walk good.